Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to show you all how to customize my advanced trucking company PowerPoint presentation template, how to customize that with your own information so you can quickly and easily have a PowerPoint presentation for, well, your trucking company. So the way the video is going to work out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. From that point in time, we're then going to go ahead and take a look at the advanced trucking company PowerPoint presentation that is included in my advanced trucking company business plan template. So in my advanced company business plan template, you're going to get the PowerPoint presentation. You're going to get a Word document that you're going to be able to make changes to and update to customize for your own business. You'll get a financial model that's quite advanced, and also you're going to get a strategic plan that you can customize as well. So all that information is in there, and each one of those different components, I do have separate tutorials for those as well. So the way, like I said, so let's go ahead and mosey on through this little PowerPoint presentation. So as promised, a little bit about me. I am Paul Borosky, MBA, owner of Quality Business Plan. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all do want to avoid all the fun and excitement of writing your own business plan, your strategic plan, or your financial projections, pick up the phone, give me a call. Love to do it for you. Also, I am a published author and doctoral candidate, so I am well versed in not only research but also writing business plans. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert for both business and finance. So again, you want to avoid all the fun and excitement of messing around with a template. Give me a call. Be delighted to do your financial projections or your business plan for your trucking company for you. All right, so with that said and done, let's go ahead and look at the start of the show. So the start of the show right here is a PowerPoint presentation, which is included in my advanced trucking company business plan template. So once you buy the template, you're going to download the 4 documents. Like I said, one of them is a PowerPoint presentation. Once you open it up, this is what you're going to see. You're going to have, let's see here, you're going to have up to 10 tabs right here. So you have 10 tabs. And the way that it works is you go to, like, for example, you go to tab 1 and just start right from the top. Company name, put your company name here. If you got a logo, change out this picture with your logo, and then the owner name, put it right here. Now, when you're doing this PowerPoint presentation, I do highly recommend you have your business plan template already complete in the Word document. And the Word document looks like this right here. So this is your Word document. So this is the Word document right here. And so if we just zip it all the way up to the top, then what you would do is, so go through this whole Word document right here, update that information. Again, the tutorial is separate. I've already done that, and it's posted on my website. So once you get that information, what you're going to do is you are going to be looking for your company summary. So go to the executive summary, your company summary, and you're going to copy it right here. Control C it, and you can put it in the notes section right here in your presentation. So in order to get the notes section, you'll go right here. So right here where it says little notes right here, click on that, and it gives you the opportunity to put your notes. So you copy. So once you're done with the Word document here, once you put all this information, you get rid of all the yellow with your information. You hit Control C under the company summary, and you're going to put it right here. Backspace that, Control V it, and you're all set, ready to go. Next is going to be your services offered. So whatever your services offered, you're going to go to your Word document, and you're going to go to the services offered, and whatever your services are. So the template includes a brief description of freight transportation, dry van hauling, reefers, flatbed, hazmat, hot shot, box truck, whatever your game is. Go ahead and copy it, and then you're going to go over here and you're going to change out right here, backspace, Control V it, and now you've got your information for your services offered. And then whatever your services are, you're just going to change it right up here as well. And that slide's ready to go. Next is going to be your competitive advantages. So whatever your competitive advantages are, so what you're going to do is you're going to go over to your competitive advantages, which would be right here. So competitive advantages just below your services. You're going to, after you've updated that information, you're going to Control C it, copy it, come on over here, backspace it, Control V it, and now your competitive advantages are updated. Next is going to be your target market. Again, play the same game. Go to your primary target market, which is right below your competitive advantages. Control C it. Go over to your notes section, backspace it, Control V it, and then update this information right here with your target markets. Next is your location. Where are you at? City and state, home office, and then any kind of major thoroughfares that's close to you, put that right here. And then again, go to your locations, which is a little bit further down, Control C it, go over here, Control V it, and now your location section is updated. Industry research, just go over to, again, the Word document, and it's going to be a little bit further down, go past your spot, and then your industry analysis is going to be right here, and this information right here is what you're going to be looking for, and then also this paragraph right here. So you've got your first paragraph, which describes your industry, and then your second paragraph, which is going to update on the projections, the revenue projections, historical aspects of it. So you want the second paragraph, and you'll go over here again, highlight this information, get rid of it, Control V it, whoops, Control C it, Control V it, and then what you're going to want to do is you're going to take this information right here and just fill in the bullet points with the appropriate information. Actually, it's already filled in there for you, so you're all set, ready to go with that. Next is going to be your organization and management. So go ahead and update this chart as you see fit. If you're not going to have any dispatchers, then what you'll do is you'll highlight dispatchers, get rid of them, and the smart art will update accordingly. And then you'll just update this information right here, put your name and your company name there, or just go right to here. This should already be done. Control copy it under ownership, zip it on over here, backspace it, Control V it, and you're all set, ready to go. Your marketing strategies, this should pretty much stay static. Most truckers are going to do the networking, the traditional internet marketing, and social media. And so what you'll do for the for this right here is, you can just grab this right here. You'll go again to the template in the Word document, scroll down, and you'll copy this information right here. Just right from networking, Control C it, and then just go right over here and just Control V it, and you're all set, ready to go with that. Financial projections, you do need to go ahead and do the financial model. And so the financial model is going to be, one second. And give me just 1 second here. All right. And so for the financial model, you're going to need the Excel sheet. And let's see here. I want that there. There we go. All right, so what we're going to do for the financial model, we're going to go over to the financial model, and the financial model is right here. So again, there's a separate tutorial for it. Go to your Informations tab, and once you update all your information on the Informations tab, you're then going to go to the Projections tab. And on this Projections tab is where all your information you're looking for is going to be right here to fill in this information here. Also, you can find the information on your Word document once you're done with the Word document and it's all updated. Then all you have to do is go to the passive funding request right here. Your financial projections, this is your summary. Again, Control C it. Go over it down here, Control V it. And then you can also do the Smart Art. So you hit right here, Control C it. And then you just go over to the Smart Art, backspace it, and then right here you're going to go insert, or you're going to go to home rather, you're going to go to paste, and you're going to paste it as a picture. Once you do that, you'll just move it right there, and you're all set, ready to go. And same thing for your startup costs. You'll update the information in here. Oh, startup cost could be above it. So you're going to update the information right here. And for your funding request, you'll go right here. Go down here, Control V it, it's all updated. And then for your startup cost, you'll go right over here, and then you'll highlight your startup cost here, Control C it, go right here, and then you're going to want to cut, and then then you want to paste, and paste as a picture, And you're all set with that. And then size it accordingly. And then you'll do the same thing for the chart. We got the chart right underneath it. Click on it, Control C it. Go over here, backspace it. And then you'll go in here, paste as a picture. And now you've got your chart. And you'll go ahead and resize it accordingly. So and that's right there is your that's your PowerPoint presentation, all set, ready to go with all your information. And it pretty much just tells a story about your company, who you are, what you offer, some of the advantages using your company, your target market, who you're going to service, your location, where you're at, industry research, showing that you know a little bit about your industry, organizational structure, marketing, how you're going to make a little bit of money, the money you're going to make, and then the funding needed to get the party started. So it's all structured in a nice little way to tell a story, short, succinct, to the point, and it's it's a great little tool to have to help you all raise funds or explain to new hires what your business does and how it does it. But yeah, hopefully this information was helpful, and let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up and call it a day. Let's find out where my PowerPoint presentation is. Here it is. All right, so we'll go right here. And then in summary, so if y'all like what you see for the Advanced Trucking Business Plan template, specifically the PowerPoint presentation, you can buy the Advanced Trucking Business Plan template at qualitybusinessplan.com/trucking company business plan template. And in the template, it does come with a Word document. It comes with I call it a basic financial model, but it's pretty advanced. Also comes with a strategic plan, and then also a PowerPoint presentation, which is what we covered. Keep in mind that the Advanced Trucking Business Plan template is not compatible with Google Docs or Apple products. And then finally, if you have any questions about the trucking company business plan before you buy it, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to have a discussion with you. However, after you buy the Advanced Trucking Business Plan template, I will refer you to the various tutorials. I've got 4 tutorials alone on each one of the segments of the Advanced Business Plan for the trucking. And then I've got additional tutorials at qualitybusinessplan.com/business plan writing tutorials. And finally, if y'all do want to avoid all the fun and excitement, growth opportunities, and such of writing your own business plan, I would be delighted to write a custom business plan for you. Just visit me at qualitybusinessplan.com/business plan prices 3. And we can have a great discussion. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day.